And we're looking at Excel Part 2, and in the first tab we're moving to exercise 1, which is to convert student IDs from number format to text. Okay, how do we do that? The student IDs are found here, alright, and they are currently in number format, and we're going to make them into text format. Okay, so what I'm going to do is carefully, without overriding, I'm going to select all the student IDs. There are 500 of them. It's going to take a while to drag this cursor down. Okay, selecting all the first column student IDs. Okay, they're typed in as numbers. Okay, but we don't want them to be numbers because numbers kind of imply that you can do mathematics on them. But IDs are just like names. They're just names, but they're using number characters to identify them. Okay, we are not going to take a student ID and square it or use any trigonometry on them. Okay, they are like names. They're just numbers, number format of names. Okay, so I've got all of them selected here. How we convert them to text is like this. Okay, by default the Excel menu is on home, insert, and so on. If you go to the fifth one here, data, okay, click on the data menu and that will open up a panel here. Alright, so on the data menu, in this panel we're going to move our mouse towards the right side. On the 3/4 mark there, you will find this button called text to columns. Okay, this button, text to columns, click that, and what Excel does is it brings out this convert text to column wizard. Okay, wizard is just like a guiding help tool that guides you through. Okay, there are 3 steps. The first step, we can ignore it, just click next, just keep that as default, click next. Step 2 also ignore, just click next. Now at step 3 is the one we want. So what we're going to do is we want to convert the student IDs into text, so we're going to select text here in this radio button. Okay, change it from general to text. Once you got that, just click finish. Okay, now what happens is the numbers have gone to a line to the left, and there's this little neat what you call smart tag here. Okay, if you click on the smart tag, it tells you that these are now numbers that are stored as text. Okay, and if you want to get back your original numbers, you can just hit this shortcut, convert to numbers, and you'll get back the original. Okay, and we're not going to do that. Okay, so that's exercise 1 done. Now in the same vein, we're going to do the same thing in exercise 2. We're going to convert some scores which are stored as text, and we want them to be numbers because we want to calculate percentages. Okay, we want to calculate CA1, CA2, and CA3. We move the data to the right and we find yes. Okay, so CA1, CA2, and CA3. Okay, and carefully with your mouse in the middle of each box, what we're going to do is select CA1, CA2, and CA3 of every student, 500 of them. Okay, 3 columns, CA1, CA2, CA3, all 500 of them. Currently stored as text, we're going to convert them into numbers. Okay, and we're going to use the smart tag. Okay, so at this point you can use the smart tag straight, or you can, again from data, you can do this and click general. Okay, but since the smart tag is here, I'm going to take that option. This diamond shaped yellow icon with the exclamation mark, that's a smart tag. Okay, click the smart tag, get the drop down menu, and then click on the second one, which is convert to number. Okay, click that, and we have done that. Okay, so that is exercise 2 done, which is convert them into number.